Now guess what? Hello, come back. I have something for you. He came to me. Look. There. You take them and eat them. And it's gone. And he's coming back. Come. Come on. There. There you go. Oh, you missed it. It's there. Find it. There. And off it goes. Well, the little dude is burying it for a day, and probably it's not gonna be this abundant. Yep. He did the same with the first one he took from me. And that's how squirrels... Are you coming back again? Oh, look at you! Okay, I'll give you one more. I think I have 2 more in my pocket. Just a second. There. Took it from my hand! You are so cute. Are you gonna bury it on that side now? I'm chasing you. Or following you. Okay, he needs to find the right spot. But this is a good example of what they're doing, because thanks to them, this is how a lot of trees get replenished. They bury the nuts or acorns or whatever they are, and then they forget about them. They find some, but many of them will get to have a new life. Now I moved somewhere else and I spotted a few others, and one looks brave enough. Come, there. I'm gonna put it down, and there you go. Come and get it. Now where is it? I can't see. There it is. You found something else. Okay, crazy filming. It's busy digging something away. Look, I just love to watch their little hands working. Okay, are you gonna come? Come on. Come on. Be a brave little squirrel and get a yummy almond. Okay. Are you coming? I'm going back. There you go. You found it. It's just there. Turn around. Where's your nosy? There we go. Good job. Are you gonna bury it? I only had one left, my little darling. I gave all the others away. No, go enjoy it or bury it, whatever works for you. Okay, that's it with the squirrels for today. Bye bye, little bushy tail. Have a happy life.